So from you see me in front of a historic building, you know what time it is. FiWi Culture time. And this week it's The Angel with her #1 hit, Stronger, which was released in 2008. The song came after some introspection and reflection in her life. The Angel, take it away.
This is The Angel, the lady of dancehall, reggae and dancehall music of FiWi Culture. And so, when I heard the song, I'm like, wow. I did some tweaking to it. I'm like, wow. I went in the studio the same time because it narrates my life and everything I go through. And I never knew, because I always said, because before Stronger I did Blaze. And Blaze definitely kind of opened the doors for me in terms of showcasing my modeling, letting women feel confident about themselves, and that's how I wanted to feel. And then came Stronger.
The angel, the anger, that's my name. I float away stress, I float away pain, I float away hurt.
Stronger has definitely, gave me a lot of respect in this industry, in this space, because a lot of men were coming at me. Women were coming at me too, and I had to stand strong. And people can relate to you when you are strong. They will beat you down in the waist when they turn up strong. They're going to say, all right then, you have to accept her. So Stronger was my acceptance song. It has helped a lot of people to believe in themselves and can rise from any situation and what comes to me. The song was produced by Sons of Spoon Records, and the song was recorded by Danny Champagne Studios. May his soul rest in peace. At the time we were doing a lot of work together. So yeah, that's where the magic happened.
My lady, be wise and be smart. When you build a mind to join, you must build a mind to part. When you give your all to men.
That song, Stronger, has definitely let the world start looking at me in a different light. It went, I think, #1 in New York on some charts over there, the New York charts. It went #1 on all TV stations, RETV. I started getting a lot of corporate attention. I got signed. I got so much deals. I got Ray and Nephew signed me to do G-Force. I was signed with Coca-Cola. And it was just an amazing time for me. And it's a blessing, yeah.
I'm a woman and a lady to the fullest. But to most, give thanks to the coolest.
Alright guys, this is how we bring the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm Nalda Addy, and this is Eddie signing out from Ugly Park Road. Remember, at the time of recording, the round of 16 are going to kick off right now. So next week, we'll find out who made it to the quarterfinals. Brazil or France? Show your jersey, man. Hey, Brazil!